As Gangni Secondary School English First Paper, Chapter 1 Good Citizens, Lesson 4 Responsibilities. Suresh Chandra Rai. Dear students, how are you? I am also fine. Thank you all very much. Listen to me carefully. Today's lesson is responsibilities. Student, look at section A. Here is it is a text lesson about responsibilities. Responsibilities mean a duty to work just time. If you are failure to perform the duty, you are out of responsibilities. So you will have to act just time. You will be a sincere man. Here it has a story about responsibilities. The story is below. Ronnie's mother gave him 50 taka to buy salt and chilies. On the way to the market, Ronnie found a poor passer by holding a baby up who is lying on the road, groaning. Coming near, Ronnie saw that it was his classmate Tanim, who was hit by a speeding motorbike. Immediately, he stopped a baby taxi and took Tanim to a clinic. Ronnie returned home without salt and chilies. He had used the money to pay the taxi driver. Dear students, feel the story, and it has been completed to obey duty just time for Ronnie. So, it is an example for obeying responsibilities. Dear students, here are some questions below. Discussing in group, you will answer these. Number 1, did Ronnie do right or wrong? Number 2, what do you think his mother when Ronnie returned home without salt and chilies? What else could Ronnie do in the situation? My heartiest learners, now we want to go in section B. This is another text lesson about responsibilities. So here we can know definition about responsibilities. Definition of responsibilities. Responsibility means a duty or an obligation to do something. For example, you have the responsibility to take care of your parents in their old age, to attend school and pursue your studies properly, and so on. You have also responsibilities to society and the government. Easy to help a neighbor in travel or to cast your vote if you are 18 or over. Number 2, a responsibility is also an obligation or a duty not to do something. For example, you have the responsibility not to steal a book from a public library or not to put building materials on the footpath. These are your responsibilities as citizens. But the government has responsibilities to provide food, provide for its citizens, such as food, clothing, shelter, education, or medical care. The government has also a duty to protect the fundamental rights to speak freely and exchanging expression, to give freedom of the press and quality of the law. Dear students, At last, you have gained the knowledge, skills, and ability